In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the privacy settings of your Vimeo video with ease. Whether you're looking to make your content public or prefer a more exclusive audience, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's get started. First, let's head over to Vimeo.com, where you'll need to sign in to your account. Having access to your account is crucial, because it's where all your videos and settings are conveniently stored. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, showing your recent activities and uploads. Now, your next stop will be your video library. To get there, simply click on your profile icon, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the website. From the drop-down menu, you should select the library option. This takes you directly to a list of all your uploaded videos, displaying information like upload dates and views. It serves as a hub where you can quickly access all your content. Once in your library, scroll through your videos to locate the one you want to edit or manage. With your chosen video in sight, click directly on its title. This will bring you to the video's main page, where all sorts of settings and options can be customized for that particular video. You'll notice a share button that's clearly positioned in the upper right corner of the video page. Clicking on this button will open up a modal, revealing more options tailored to how you wish to share your content. Here, privacy becomes the focal point. Now, in this modal, you'll find a privacy drop-down menu. This is where you control who gets to view your video. You have several options to choose from. If you select public, your video becomes viewable to anyone on the internet, allowing the widest reach possible. Opting for unlisted keeps your video off search results. Only those with a direct link can watch it. With the password option, viewers will need a specific password to access the video, adding a layer of security. Alternatively, if you choose Hide from Vimeo, your video can only be accessed via embed links, completely invisible on your Vimeo profile. Finally, setting it to private means only you and specific people you grant access to will be able to watch the video. Once you've made your selection from the privacy drop-down, rest assured that your changes are saved automatically. This eliminates the risk of forgetting to save or apply the changes you've just made. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully managed your Vimeo video's privacy settings. Whether you're sharing it with the world or keeping it under wraps, these simple steps ensure you have full control over who sees your content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy sharing.